Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 5 for the subject of computers. Topic using email, which is covered in chapter 7 starting on page number 88 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 5 and is being submitted to you on 15th of February year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 88 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. So let us start with the topic using email. Students, in the previous assignment, you have already studied about the term email. In this assignment, you will learn how to use this email facility. Students, for using email facility, you need to create email ID by opening any website like Gmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail. You will be able to create your email ID. You will select a username and also provide a password for creating an email account. You will also submit your particulars like name, address, date of birth, etc. Some commonly used features of email are as follows: composing and sending mail. Students, compose means to create or write an email that you want to send to anyone. For this, you will click on Compose button as shown in figure 7.2 present on page number 88 in the book. One new window will open. Here, you will be able to create an email with receiver's address, subject, and text. After composing, you can send this email to any receiver for which you have written the address in the address bar. Click on Send button. Netiquettes. Students, netiquettes is the combination of two words, net and etiquette. Net means internet and etiquette means good manners. Netiquette is defined as a set of rules that are based on online behavior of the user. The following netiquettes should be followed while using internet or online services. These are: number 1, journal netiquettes. Respect others' copyright policy. Students, we should not copy the work of others without their permission. Avoid sarcasm. Students, you should never use painful or insulting comments for others while using internet. Respect others' privacy. Students, you should avoid reading any type of personal information of other persons like email IDs, phone numbers, photographs, etc. without their permission. No spam. Students, you should avoid sending any unwanted mails, messages to anyone that are considered as junk. Children, all of you may now take 3 minutes break. During break time, you will write answers for some easy questions. And the questions are: question number 1. Give full form of ISP www USB port. Question 2. Name the site for railway ticket booking. Question 3. What do you understand by netiquettes? Now, pause this lesson for 3 minutes. Students, 3 minutes break is over now. Let me give you answers first, and the answers are: answer 1. ISP is Internet Service Provider. www is World Wide Web. USB port is Universal Serial Bus port. Answer 2. www.irctc.com. Answer 3. Netiquette means a set of rules that govern the acceptable online behavior of the user. Students, let us continue with the next topic, that is social networking netiquettes. Students, while using social networking sites, you should follow some certain rules or netiquettes. These are: friend request. Children, you should be very careful while accepting a friend's request on social networking sites. You never know which unknown person will misuse your personal information for their personal use. Use privacy feature. Children, while using internet, you should not display your personal information publicly because anyone can misuse it. Do not post pictures of others. Students, you should avoid uploading the pictures of others without their permission. Comment wisely. Students, you will never promote anything that will give harm to any other person. Report abuse. Students, while using internet, you should report to your elders or parents if anyone is misbehaving with you or threatens you on the website. Number 3. Email netiquettes. Students, there are so many guidelines that you should keep in mind while using email. These names are as follows. Subject line. Always use brief subject line. Use proper salutation. Always end your email with name and signature of your own. Concise message. Always write message related to the topic of your subject. Check spelling and grammar. Before sending email to any person, you should check spelling and grammar errors in your typed text. All caps lock. Never type your message in capital letters. Autoresponders. Students, this will convey message on your behalf whenever you are away from your computer. This will help recipient also in saving his or her time. Use of BCC feature. Students, if you are sending the same message to so many persons, then you will use BCC, that is blind carbon copy. Take a look before sending a message. Always check your email carefully before sending it to anyone. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please try to solve back exercise questions A, B, C, D and worksheet 3 and 4 present on page number 91, 92, 95 and 96. Thank you.